Have you ever noted that when we create a stickman animations, the character seems to change slightly in every scene? Sometimes the face looks different, sometimes the body, and the entire video can feel a bit confusing. In my previous videos, we have already explored how to generate consistent character images and how to create a stickman animation using various tools. But when we try to combine these two, the biggest challenge appears: maintaining character consistency. So that's why in today's video, we are going to tackle this problem step by step. We'll see how to keep a stickman character consistent throughout an animation so that the same stickman appears in every scene, with only his actions, expressions, and movements changing. So let's break down the entire process in a very simple way. So let's get started. So first, I give GPT this master prompt. With this prompt, we get the entire Stickman video script, image prompts, and video animation instructions all in one go. This prompt explains in detail how the same Stickman character should appear in every scene, along with his different actions, emotions, props, and backgrounds. It also provides motion instructions showing how the arms, head, or props should move while keeping the body consistent. So the Stickman looks the same in every scene and the video flows smoothly. Basically, with this single prompt, you get the script, images, animation instructions all at once. So all you need to do is decide your topic and the video length, and GPT handles the rest. Simple and easy, right? So for example, here I've used my topic: why time disappears when you pick up your phone. So as you can see, we already have the script, detailed image prompts, and video instructions ready. So now let's move on and start generating our images. So for image generation, we'll go to Google Gemini and select Nano Banana there. Then we choose any downloaded Stickman image to add. You can get this image from anywhere as long as it's a simple Stickman. And after adding the image, we enter the first prompt and simply click the create button. And just look at the amazing result we got. The Stickman we used as a reference image has been generated in the new image with the exact same character, just different expressions. So now, using all my prompts in the same way, I generate images for the rest of the scenes as well. In every scene, the same Stickman character will appear with different actions and emotions and the perfect background, everything consistent and smooth. And now that all my images are ready, so the next step is to animate them. For this, I'll be using Grok AI. This tool is simple and helps us to create animations for each scene according to the motion instructions. So that means the arms, head, and props will move while the body stays the same. So the Stickman remains consistent in every scene and the video looks perfectly smooth. So first we select the Imagine option, then in the box below we add our first image. And next we enter the first prompt and hit generate. Just like that, following GPT's instructions, we get a fully animated scene ready. We repeat this process for all the remaining scenes using their respective images and prompts to generate animations. And just look at this, what an amazing video we have created. Now we can simply download it, and using the same method for all our other images with their video prompts, the full Stickman video will be ready. So for the third step is to generate the voice. I would personally recommend using your own voice so there won't be any issue with monetization and your video will deliver maximum value. But if you still want to use an AI generated voice, in my opinion, the best option is 11 Labs. Just go to their website, click on text to speech and paste your script there. Then select your desired voice and hit generate. In just a few seconds, you'll get two different versions. You can choose the one you like the best and download it. Now let's move on to the final step, which is editing. So for this, I'm using Filmora. First, you can see that I've imported all the generated videos along with the voiceover. Next, we'll place the voiceover onto the timeline and set the video aspect ratio to 16:9. Then scene by scene, we arrange the clips exactly as we generated them. This makes the video smooth and organized. And that's it. You can also add subtitles, transitions, background music, and sound effects to make the video even more valuable. And just like that, my video is ready. Let's take a look at the final result.
You're at your desk. Clock ticks. You yawn. Your phone catches your eye. You pick it up. Notifications pop. You start scrolling. Time flies. The clock spins fast. Still scrolling. You try to put it down, but new notifications pull you back. Then you see the clock. Panic. Finally, you set the phone down, take a deep breath, and think.
So as you can see, creating a consistent stickman animation character is really simple if you just follow easy steps. But remember, consistency is key because that's what makes your video look professional and keeps your audience engaged. Also, make sure to add your unique style, whether it's in animation, storytelling, or presentation, so you stand out from other creators. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, and for more tutorials on AI, faceless channels, and animation, make sure to subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know what topic you want to see next. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.